Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bickerstaff's Atlanta East Auto Auction on a Saturday night down in Loganville, Georgia. This is episode number 186. It's CAREY Paul time. That's all CAREY Paul. CAREY Paul's got over 20 prime units featured this week. Melvin's going to be here. They're on a one-way ticket. Melvin wants to sell every single one of them, so he'll be here to pull the trigger. So we got over 20 ready to go. They're all down here right now, so we're excited about that. We appreciate Melvin giving us the opportunity. The dogs pulled it out today. They showed some signs of getting it together, so let's be encouraged. They're starting to gel, so that's good. Before you do anything, go to the right-hand corner, hit the subscribe, like, share, and comment button. We appreciate it, we need it, and we thank you for it. This is a Monday night sale, 3 p.m. preview, 6 p.m. sale starts. It's a public and dealer auction, so everybody is welcome. Our phone number is 470-552-1032. For transportation needs, see the deal maker right here. He's the man. He's done a lot of transportation. He's been to Augusta. You know, he's been all over the city of Atlanta. He's been to Macon, all over the Southeast. He's picking cars up, bringing them in. We're excited about it, and we appreciate it. For transportation needs, call the deal maker. It's 770-425-5725. Anywhere, anytime, 1 to 100, he'll get it done. Our run list is on AE Auto Auction, over 170 to choose from and counting. We'll have more than that, but right now we got 170. Over 15 new car dealers are going to be represented Monday night with some fine units. We've already looked them over good today, and there's some fine units out there. Join us on Facebook group, Atlanta's Premier Public Auction. Check us out on all our social media channels. We're on all of them. So let's just keep after it. We have a great lineup this week, so let me tell you who's coming. We're going to talk about the A-Lane first. Honda South's going to kick it off. They've got a good selection. CAREY Paul, Honda, he's going to have well over 20. That's old Melvin. We appreciate Melvin. We got a brand new dealer starting with us. Terry Reed Hyundai Genesis is going to be here. He's got a nice load. JW Trucks is going to be here. We got Ginn Chevrolet is going to be here. Ginn Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram. ALM's got over 20 units. We're excited about that. Mark's done a really good job of getting these cars for us. River Valley Chevrolet is going to be here. Jim Hudson Lexus got some prime pieces. Jim Hudson Acura's got some prime pieces. Jim Hudson Cadillac's got some prime pieces. And don't forget a great independent, Georgia Northside Auto Sales, Mike Bethea has done it again, over 15 to choose from, all inspected, ready to go. He's been down here today, checking them out and make sure they're all ready to go. And they're ready. He showed them to me today, so we're excited about that. We're going to go to the D lane. We got Hayward Allen Toyota. They got a nice load. We're going to have, again, we're going to have Georgia Northside. They're going to have some more. Their overflow is going to be over in the B lane. We're excited about that. Loganville Ford is going to have a nice run. Phil called us from Colonial GMC Buick. He's going to have some nice pieces. So we're going to have a good run in both lanes. Over 170, like I said, to choose from. We're excited about it. We appreciate what everybody did last week. We had a really good sale last week. So let's just stay after it. We'll keep going, keep moving, keep selling them. And we got over 15 new car dealers. Be here at Monday night, 3 p.m. preview, 6 p.m. sales starts. So come on down, see us on Monday night.
Come to the East Side where buyers and sellers agree on one price. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And we will see you in our blazing A and B lanes every Monday night.